Hello, this is Kate from BookWidgets again, and in today's teacher tip, I will show you how to arrange, delete, and duplicate questions in a widget. So, navigate to bookwidgets.com, log into your account, and follow along with me. When in the editor view of a widget, manage your questions with the following actions. Arrange your questions simply by dragging and dropping them into the order you choose. Delete a question by clicking on the X, and duplicate a question by clicking on the indicated icon and editing the question as needed. Let's take a look at the student view of this worksheet. Arranging, deleting, and duplicating makes it easy to manage questions. Want more teacher tips? Be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more BookWidgets Teacher Tips.